Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to create a guest account on Windows 11. A guest account can be useful if you want someone else to use your computer without giving them access to your personal files and settings. So let's get started. First, open Settings on your computer. Now click on Accounts from the left side. Then select Other Users. Next, click on Add Account. A Microsoft sign-in window will appear. Click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Now click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter a name for the new account. You can also create a password for the account if you want. If you do not want a password, you can leave the password fields blank. Once you are done, click Next. Windows will now create the new user account. The account will appear under the Other Users section. You can now sign out of your current account and log into the new account whenever needed. So this is how you can create a guest account on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.